few months ago, I got a message from landlord in Beijing. He said, Zishan, all of my friends said they get a personal loan of 12,570 pounds. However, HMRC said that I do not qualify. He was confused. Of course, he was frustrated, and I'm sure he is not the only one. This is one of the most common misunderstanding I hear from Chinese landlords. And today I want to clear it up once and for all. So let's talk about it. Can Chinese landlords claim a UK personal loans of 12,570 pounds? The honest answer is no. Not because HMRC is unfair, because UK-China double tax treaty does not allow to claim personal loans. Before we deep dive, this is the second video in my non-resident landlord series. The first video was about Chinese non-UK resident landlords. This one is about claiming personal loans. Just to let you know, I already posted another video on claiming personal loans. Please do watch that as well. The next video will cover selling UK property and reporting it to HMRC. And the final one will be about common mistakes overseas landlords make. If you haven't watched the first video yet, I highly recommend it. It answers a lot of questions. Let's come back to the video now. Now here is the myth which I hear all the time. All overseas landlords get a personal loans of 12,570 pounds, which is completely wrong. The UK gives personal loans to non-residents if they are from European Economic Area EEA, they qualify under specific double taxation agreement, or they fall under ground service categories. Let's say you are from China and lived in the UK more than 183 days. You are classed as UK tax resident. So based on your residency, you will qualify for UK personal loans of 12,570 pounds. However, if you visit UK just to meet your tenants or to maintain your property, and let's say last year or 24-25 tax year, you visited UK just under 7 days or 1 week. So what do you think? Will you qualify for UK personal loans? The answer is no. Unfortunately, you cannot claim UK personal loans. Yes, the UK and China does have a double tax treaty. However, that treaty does not allow to claim a personal allowance, or you can say that that treaty does not include a specific clause on personal loans to claim it for Chinese resident. Now, on your screen, you can see that I put a UK China double tax treaty screenshot, which shows that people from China are not allowed to claim personal loans in the UK if they are non-resident. And now let's add a twist. Let's say a Chinese landlord Max. He holds a Chinese passport and he has a UK rental property. However, for past, let's say 3 years, he's been living in Italy and he does have a Italian nationality. So my question to you is Max entitled to UK personal allowance? I can pause for 2 seconds so you can think about it. My answer is yes. Max qualify are entitled to UK personal laws because he is Italian national and Italy comes under economic European area. Therefore, because of that entitlement, he will qualify for personal loans, which means first 12,570 pounds of his UK rental income will be tax-free, which of course is a big advantage. So even if you are UK non-resident living anywhere in the world, do not leave money on the table freely. Get in touch with your personal tax accountants and get personalized advice, because just assuming or hearing rumors from here and there does not solve your tax compliance questions. And you can always reach out to me via LinkedIn or by posting a comment on my videos. It's the most, of course, easiest way. And if you are a Chinese landlord or any overseas landlord who holds a property in the UK, do not leave it to the chance. HMRC expects you to get your taxes right. And if you, of course, need help, reach out to me via LinkedIn or, like I said, post in a comment below. And of course, if you want more real life examples like this, please do not forget to subscribe my channel as always, and a head salute until the next video.